not sure if you remember this calendar that I showed you, a guesswork calendar for 2023 for DJI products. Well, let's look at February. It said DJI Goggles SE and DJI RC Motions. Well, they might come out, but forget about this calendar because we have now very exciting news of a new drone. A cheap drone, an entry drone. They'll be out on 9th of February 2023, which is this Thursday. So just around the corner. Slogan goes, make your moments fly. We get a little glimpse, number 2 and SE. Yes, it's not a surprise because actually here you can see Mini 2 SE, completely palm size, and we know exactly what drone this is. It looks just like a mini drone from DJI. Not to make you guys wait, let's quickly look at what we might see in the box because all the leaks are already out. DJI Mini 2 SE, this is what you would get in the box. Very typical Fly More combo, and you can see it clearly says 249 grams, ultra light, just like any other mini drones out there for mini series DJI. So Jasper Ellens, the good old reliable leaker from Twitter on DJI News, hiding in plain sight. Again, the rumors were true, and the Mini 2 SE will be DJI's new entrance level drone. In the top corner from the box, we can see exactly all the details of the specs that we would expect on DJI Mini 2 SE. Ultra light and foldable, that's exactly what we're looking for a DJI mini drone. Less than 249 grams of course, and 31 minute flight time. That's exactly same as what we had in Mini 2 drone before. Just to quickly remind you that yes, Mavic Air mini series, and on the mini series you can see that yes, DJI Mini 3 is there, Mini 3 Pro is there, that's the more expensive drone, and then we still have DJI Mini 2 that's still selling in the DJI official store going at $450. Mini 3, it is a more expensive drone going at $100 more expensive, so $559. So back to Mini 2 SE, 31 minute flight time, same as Mini 2, however a few minutes less than what you find with Mini 3. Camera wise, 2.7K video, so that's the big difference. That's probably the biggest difference against the Mini 2. So Mini 2 has 4K resolution, 30 frames per second. Mini 2 SE will only have 2.7K video. And 10km HD video transmission, intuitive control, one-tap takeoff and landing, stable hovering, return to home, intelligent features, quick shots, panorama, level 5 wind resistant. That's basically the same as what we had seen in Mini 2 before. So more pictures. Okay, this is super blurry, but don't worry because next picture super duper clear and it looks just like any other mini series drone out there from DJI. Not that you need to be reminded of what DJI mini drone looks like, however this is what we expect. Same as Mini 2 drone, but as you can see the Mini 2 drone, the camera, it says 4K. So what would you expect in terms of price, because it does have lesser camera. Sensor size the same, megapixel size the same, 12 megapixel. However, it does not have 4K resolution. It only has 2.7K resolution for video. So Igor Bogdanov, another reliable Twitter account for DJI news and rumors, he is wondering if the price tag for the new DJI Mini 2 SE will be around $300 to $400. That sounds quite reasonable guesstimate considering going at $450 and Mini 3 is going at $560. So something below $400 seems like a very good price for the entry drone for DJI. And here is actually the complete spec sheet. So a lot of the features we've already covered. 249 grams, dimension exactly the same as Mini 2. Battery capacity, it says 2600 mAh, which is a little bit bigger than Mini 2. However, 31 minute flight time is exactly the same. And operating temperature is 0 degree to 40 degrees, which is same as DJI Mini 2. However, Mini 3, it does go all the way down to minus 10 degrees. So if you guys are looking for something for the winter time, you definitely want to go and pay a little bit more for Mini 3. The camera sensor, I did previously mention, resolution. Yes, 1 over 2.3-inch CMOS sensor. That is exactly same as DJI Mini 2. Effective pixel, 12 megapixel, exactly the same. FOV, 83 degrees, that's same as Mini 2. And aperture f2.0, that's exactly same as Mini 2. But Mini 3 is a lot more expensive drone, so it comes with brighter lens. Just to show you more pictures, if I hadn't shown you earlier, so this is what we would expect for Mini 2 SE. So you guys excited about this new cheap entry drone that will be out in the market this week? Are you guys gonna buy this drone? Do let me know in the comments below. I'll come back with other updates from DJI and also tech reviews, so please subscribe and see you.